Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Facts on Top. Today, we're going to take you on a journey of discovery with 20 of the most unexpected facts about the world. Some of these might just blow your mind. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fascinating content. Let's dive right in. Our first fact: the Great Wall of China, often said to be visible from space, is in fact not visible to the naked eye. It's a common misconception, but it's still an incredible feat of human engineering. Did you know that bananas are berries, but strawberries are not? It might sound strange, but it's all about the botanical definitions. Next up, we have a sweet fact: honey never spoils. Some pots of honey found in ancient Egyptian tombs are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The shortest war in history was just 38 minutes long. It was fought between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. Talk about a brief conflict. Wombat feces are cube-shaped. This quirky characteristic helps them mark their territory by preventing their droppings from rolling away. Here's a fun fact about the Eiffel Tower. It can grow up to 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to the expansion of the iron in the heat. Imagine this: the entire world's population could fit in the state of Texas if they were standing shoulder to shoulder. Texas is indeed a vast place. Chess enthusiasts, listen up. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. That's mind-boggling. Bank of America had a different name originally. It was called the Bank of Italy, a true testament to its historical roots. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? 2 of them pump blood to the gills, and the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Talk about heart health. Saudi Arabia imports camels from Australia. Camels are a valuable and versatile resource in some regions. Ever wonder what the dot over the letter I and J is called? It's a tittle, a tiny but significant detail of language. The longest hiccuping spree on record lasted a staggering 68 years. Just imagine the endurance of that individual. Unicorns aren't just mythical creatures. In Scotland, they are their national animal. Speaking of deserts, did you know that the world's largest desert is not the Sahara, but Antarctica? It's the cold desert. Honeybees can recognize human faces. The world of these tiny insects is more fascinating than we think. In Japan, there are more pets than children. It's a nation of animal lovers. Istanbul, a city that spans 2 continents, Europe and Asia. It's a unique and mesmerizing place. There are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. And there you have it, 20 truly unexpected facts about the world that you might not have known before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our incredible world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.